Okay, so to make this simple DIY mask, if you're a female, you always have these in your bras, but it's the padding. You take this out, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna mark where it lines up on your face. So maybe right here, put a hole, right here, put a hole, and then put 1, 2 here. And you can just cut it with your scissors. Don't put it too close to the edge because then it might tear through the foam. But just put a small hole there. Oh, that didn't work. It's just taking longer than I thought. Sorry, guys. Okay, there we go. Then I'm just lining it up by estimate. But anyway, it doesn't have to be exact for me. And then I'm just going to fold it here. Snip a little hole. I need some sharper scissors. Anyway, snip a little hole, boom, boom. And then you need 2 more holes. I would say probably right down here. Fold it, snip, snip, okay. And then on this side, fold it. Oh, my bad, snip, snip. Okay, don't cut too fast, you'll cut a big hole like I just did, and it won't be right. So, anyway, from here, you can either use yarn, if you have some, put it through the holes. If you don't have yarn, don't worry about it. If you have sneakers, you can take the shoelace out of your sneakers, put it through the holes, and then tie it around your head to hold it in place. Or, if you don't have sneakers, don't worry. Maybe you have some hair laying around, old ponytail. Take the elastic out. Just cut this off. Boom. Now you have elastic to hold it in place for you. Okay? Thanks. That's all. Oh, and you can also add your own little design to it. Get you some rhinestones, bling it out or whatever. Okay, toodles. Hope this helps.